What's good, people? I'm back again with another one. As always, I need to request every single person watching to like, comment, share, subscribe. I just chuckled because you can see my hand move with the shadow. But yeah, I like to talk with my hand sometimes. We've got the black Air Force One box. We've seen it plenty of times. It is a bit tatty. Please don't mind it. So we've got Nike Air Force 107 Sail Black UK 9, which is my Air Force size, of course. And we'll just get straight into the shoe. Boom. So they are Sail. I'm just going to call them beige, to be honest. It's a beige pair to me. I don't like it when the lace is undone, to be honest. But yeah, well, let's just do that up. So this pair, I've got a hoodie that really goes well with it. I bought this pair actually a few weeks ago because I got it at a really good price. So that's why I bought it. I think I'm back on my Air Force One thing. If you don't know, I originally started collecting Air Force Ones first before any other sneaker. Then my obsessions changed, so it's been Air Forces, then it was Jordans, there was an Air Max 95s, New Balances. It keeps changing. But yeah, back on my Air Force One. We'll go to the bottom. Don't mind this, I don't know what it is, to be honest, and don't mind these little bits because I have worn them to do an on-foot video, and you know, it happens. So we've got that beige, that sail color on the bottom. Again, we've got that sail color on the whole midsole, including the stitches, everything. Stitching. The back, we've got that sail in like a kind of, I'd say, tumbled kind of leather, which I always like a tumbled leather. Swoosh, same color, tumbled leather. The back tab, it's not embroidered as Nike usually do on the Air Force One. We've got this little tab here instead with the Nike swoosh on both sides. If I'm honest, I don't like this tab on the Air Force. I prefer the stitching, but that's just me. Then we've got this bit as well with the small bit of tumbled leather. This bit is like a kind of nylon material that we've got on the quarter, so for your SMR lovers, which is a bit different. I don't know why they did that. They could have just done the leather again, but I don't mind regardless. We've got stitched in mini swoosh, small swoosh, just all black embroidered in. Then toe box on the front is all that same sail, and then inside, as always, or most of the time, is the same laces, same color, that sail / beige. I really like beige colorways, man. And then we've got the tongue, which is the same material as the mid bit, whatever you want to call it. I really do need to start learning the names again. Then the tongue, we've got Nike Air Force One tongues in that same colorway with the little black, so it matches to, you know, just what they do. And then the inside again, Nike Air on the insole. Don't mind the shadow. And then the sock line is the same. I really like this pair. Very simple. Can wear this with like a beige hoodie, etc. I got a really nice hoodie that matches this perfectly. I've also got a tracksuit in beige, which is very similar color that this probably would look nice on, but I definitely have to check because I don't want to overdo the beige color. But yeah, usually I would wear this type of color on an all black outfit because why not? Looks good, and it just replaces a normal standard Air Force One sometimes. But yeah, let me know what you think. Wait a few moments, you will see an on-foot video that will also be posted separately. So yeah, tell me what you think. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and take care, my people.